Well, it is Saturday, December 11th, which means that it's opening day of Iowa's second gun season. I'm not doing any deer hunting this weekend. I am getting the muzzleloader all prepped up and ready to go. I'm going to shoot that one day this week if I can get a calm evening. I am going to get out around noon today. Junior and I are going to do a little bit of pheasant hunting. Hopefully get on a few birds, and then we're going to wrap up the evening by getting out and trying to shoot some geese, Kollin and I. Drove by a field last night that we have permission to hunt, and there was, 500 geese or so that sat down 20 minutes before shooting time ended. So we're going to get after it. I know he's ready to go, I think. Hopefully get on some birds and have a little bit of action for you guys. Ready to go, buddy? Get him? All right, let's hunt him up. Whoa. Good boy, no bird. Good boy. Good boy. Hunt him up. All right, it's about 2:30 here, and I'm just heading over to meet up with Kollin. He left about 45 minutes ago to start setting up decoys. I was over pheasant hunting in the area yesterday evening, and there was probably 500-600 birds that sat down in this field. They should be roosting on a pond just a little ways north. So if all goes as planned, they'll get up and fly before sunset, and we might have some action if they do what they did last night. So I'll be over there in about 15 minutes, and we'll get to hunting. So hopefully have some action tonight. Well, we had to finish getting set up there real quick. We got birds up in the air right now, kind of all around us. They're flying an hour and a half earlier than what they did yesterday. Kind of is what it is. We had a lot of stuff going earlier in the day. This was about as quick as we could have got set up. So we're gonna get up into the blinds here and see if we can't have ourselves a hunt. All right, we got all set up. We had some birds kind of jumping around here 20 minutes ago. I don't know where they came from. The birds from last night were up that direction, and then Kollin said there's more on a pond kind of behind us. Yeah. So we got about a little over an hour left of shooting light. we're in a good spot. Last night, these birds were about 150 yards south of where we're set up. They dropped down in kind of a little bit of a low spot. That's why we set up further to the north. Have a nice little terrace behind us. These blinds are tucked into, so we got a pretty good hide. It's just a matter of if they fly with enough shooting light, and if they decide to take that same path as last night. If they do, they'll be right over us. I was pheasant hunting to the east last night, and they just came right on a line where we're set up here. So, trying to get Roscoe's first goose, right? Or has he got one?
Maybe got one or two. First month since his training's been all done,
There he is.
retrieved, so hopefully
He's ready to go.
it happens.
Beautiful evening. The sun's getting low in the sky, so hope for some action if we do. Or if they fly, man, they're going to be right in our face with this wind. Should be some easy shooting, so we'll see what happens here in this next hour.
8
minutes. Well, behind us is a huge string. Snows.
Yeah, look at them. We're getting them gigantic push of birds right now. Let's see, look at those ones are headed like back towards to the east.
Dude, I guarantee you they saw those ones get up and then they started heading that way.
Those are all snow geese. It's been it's been string after string.
Oh God, that's late for snow geese to be moving through here. I'll keep watching my phone. Oh, I'll keep watching the time.
Let's come on.
We just turned to 4:48, so we got 2 minutes.
Kill him. I mean, we couldn't wait any longer.
Yes.
What'd we get? Did you get 3? Did you get 2?
I got 2.
I only got a shot at the 1.
Dude, I'll take that.
Hell yeah. I mean, Roscoe, no. See, this is what he does. He gets too worked up.
He just needs some experience.
Roscoe, no. I mean, we couldn't wait for any more.
No. Dude, I'll take that.
Roscoe, no. See, that's what they're gonna do.
Oh man, that got me going.
God, I love shooting geese. Right there.
Yeah. Oh, we were good. I kept watching it.
I'm just gonna sit here till he settles down so I can release him. Where was this other one? He must have been a poke.
It was a poke. It'll be cool to watch in the Tacticam.
I had, because when I called it, I was pulling up on that one, and then you rolled him, so I moved to the next one.
I mean, dude, that was last minute.
I mean, I'll take it.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm not gonna complain. I thought we were gonna get stung.
We got 3. It's not bad. We just needed them to, whatever. I'm not gonna complain. I've been out a dozen times this year and haven't.
Oh, dude, no, that got me. I'm freaking shaking. All right.
I probably.
That was literally 4:48. We shot those birds. 4:49 is shooting time tonight. Obviously, you can see the string of them right there. They're still flying, but we got hosed there earlier. We had a bunch getting off the pond that direction. They were heading right towards us, and then they would peel and head north. So we're sitting there. We had just said that they're probably gonna fly right over us as we're picking up, and I just looked off to the east and above the tree line could see them, and they just came right at us. Obviously, if it wouldn't have been 4:48, we would have waited and tried to work the rest of them, but we took what they gave us and we knocked 3 down, 2 over that way and 1 off to the south.
Yeah,
so
we probably had what, five that were probably right at the edge of the decoys, and we really couldn't wait any longer. But take 3 out of 5, not bad.
no, we'll take it. So that was exciting. It's the first goose hunt I've been on in a couple of years now, so Roscoe's gonna get let loose here and get on some retrieves. That was fun.